Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can add different games to your Discord status. So first of all, open up your Discord, then go to your user settings, and in the user settings you will see this option of privacy and safety. Just click on it, and after scrolling down a little bit you will see this option of activity status. Earlier it used to have a separate tab on the settings, but now it has been shifted to privacy and safety. Just make sure that you have turned it on, and it will show all your activity status on Discord. But the thing is, Discord doesn't have that much of a capability on the mobile yet to show exactly what games you are playing right now. So we will use a different method to show our status of any game. So get back to your settings, and here in this option of set status, just click on it. And here you will see this option of set a custom status. Just click on it, and then click on this option of support has arrived, and just type in the name of game that you want to display as your status. Like you want to show that you are playing PUBG, just type in PUBG or maybe playing PUBG, and just select when you want it to be cleared. Like you want to play PUBG for next 4 hours, then select clear in 4 hours and click on save, and it will appear on your profile as a status. And that's how you do it. You can change it whenever you want, even before 4 hours. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.